Hi, all. Good morning.
Hi, bro. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay, let me share my screen. So, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me start the session. So, before moving to this, let me introduce myself. Okay. So, my name is Bhargava Shivakishore Reddy. I do have more than 10 plus years of experience into software industry. Okay. Initially, I started my career as a DevOps engineer. So after that, I switched into MuleSoft. Okay. So anyone having any idea about MuleSoft?
Basic integration tool.
No idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mulesoft is
No
an
problem.
integration tool.
Very good. MuleSoft is nothing but it is an integration tool. Okay. So I do have total 10 plus years of experience. Earlier I worked with one of the MNC company. Now I started my own company. I do have one startup company. Okay. So there I worked as a MuleSoft architect. Right now also I'm working as a freelancing to multiple companies. So there, my role is a MuleSoft architect. So this is my uh, architect certification as well. Okay. So this is about me. Next, student introduction. So this slide I'm going to skip for this moment because we do have more than 30 participants will be there. So that's why I'm gonna skip this slide. Okay. So here we'll talk about MuleSoft. So MuleSoft is nothing but it is an integration tool. Okay. So basically this MuleSoft started in the year 2006. Okay. And after that, they did so many things. They enhanced, their tool and all, so many things. So it was the most popular demanding tool in the market, I can say. So that's why Salesforce acquired this MuleSoft company in the year 2018. They paid some billions of amount to the MuleSoft company and they acquired this company. Okay. So basically, the main use of this MuleSoft is what we can do. We are going to eliminate the donkey work here. Okay. Donkey work in the sense like we can do it our work in a smooth way. Let's say if you want to write a simple kind of program in any language, C, C++, Java. So how many lines of code we need to write? Any idea? Just guess.
5 lines.
5 lines or 10 lines, right?
Five to
Depending
10.
upon the language, like C, C++, Java, or Python, like that, right? So by using this MuleSoft, even if you want to print the hello world message, you don't want to write any program and all. Okay, nothing. Easily you can write it. I will show you how we need to do it. Okay. Basically, I'll explain very clearly and straightforward. MuleSoft is nothing but it is a integration tool. Okay. So here we are not going to use any coding. Okay. In olden days, Mule version 3 and all, they used a Java code. Okay. Right now, all the organization past 4 years onwards, you know, MuleSoft using latest version Mule 4. In that Mule 4 version, they are not going to use Java. Okay, in Mule version, we don't use Java. Okay. Why we used earlier Java? Because whatever the tool will be there in Punch Studio, that they designed through Eclipse. So that's why earlier they used this Java tool. So now at this moment, no one is using this Java tool. Okay. So this history, as I told you, right, MuleSoft, it was founded in the 2003. Okay. After that, in 2004, from 2003, they founded this MuleSoft by this guy. Okay. And after that, 1 year, they created one version, Mule version 1.0. Okay. And then Mule version in the year 2006, they released Mule version 2.0. Okay. Right now, we are working Mule version 4. Okay. In Mule version 2 and 3, we used Java and all. But in Mule version 4, we are going to use this. Can you see? In the year 2018, Salesforce announced, okay, and it is acquired MuleSoft with this. So they paid approximately $6.5 billion, not rupees, dollars. They paid this much of amount to the MuleSoft company. Why? Because this is one of the top integration tool in the market. Okay. So this is the, history of this MuleSoft. I'm going to share this slide with you so that you can research that. Now, MuleSoft is nothing but it is an integration tool. So what do you mean by integration? Anyone having any idea? So what is the general meaning of integration? So integration is nothing but the communication between any two is known as integration. Okay. Just now we connected through Zoom, right? So Zoom also, this is one of the integration. Okay. Here we will have two definitions. One is general definition. Another one is technical definition. Whenever you go for interview, always we need to talk about technical definitions. Okay. Can you see the communication between any two is known as integration, like between two softwares or between two human beings. So this definition we should not deliver in front of the interviewer. So always we need to talk about technical definition. So integration is nothing but it is a technology which is used to transport and transform the data between the end systems. So what do you mean by end system? End system means it could be anything. Okay. It could be SAP, Salesforce, file, database, mobile. Okay. Anything that we can call it as an end system. Let's say, I'll give you one example. You guys are using Abibus or Redbus, right, to book a bus ticket. Agree or not? So, how we'll get the data bus information? Because they are going to maintain the database. Okay, let's say I'll show you practical so that you can understand. Red bus. Okay. Say Hyderabad to Goa, today's data. If I click on search bus, what will happen? So we'll get all the bus information. Where we'll get this bus information? Again, if you take Zomato, okay, let's say Hyderabad. So it is going to display all the restaurant address. How we are getting all these things? Because everything, they are going to store in the databases that we can call it as end system or target system. From there, we are getting this data. So let's say whenever you click on search bus, internally what will happen? It is going to interact with the database. And again, in database, we do have, so many buses, right? And the different routes will be there. Not only Goa, Hyderabad to Vizag, Hyderabad to Kadapa, Hyderabad to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Mumbai, Mumbai to Goa. Like this, so many routes will be there. So how we are getting exact bus information here? So for that, what we'll do, we are going to create some kind of APIs and we'll do some kind of validation. Can you see here we are going to provide from to date. So internally, the moment we click on search bus, internally one API will call and it is going to interact with the database. Depending upon our requirement, it is going to filter the, they are using some filters and it is going to filter that, and it is going to fetch the accurate information to the user. Okay. So here in MuleSoft, what we'll do usually, we are going to create some kind of APIs. Okay. API stands for application programming interface. Okay. So once we create APIs, we'll keep inside this search so that we will get. Let's say we face some bus info. Okay. Imagine we can see this. If you click on view buses, right? Again, this is internally, it will call one more API. And it is going to fetch the all the seat information and all everything. Okay. How many seats are available? Okay. How many seats are empty? See, how many seats are reserved for female? How many seats are reserved for male? So all these things we will get it through APIs. That and all we will do it in practical and we will show it. Okay. So usually in MuleSoft we have three phases, guys. MuleSoft, three phases. First one is design. Second one is development. And the third one is deployment. Okay. So in this entire course, we are going to cover all the three phases: design, development, and as well as deployment. Okay. So for this design, development, deployment, we are going to use different kinds of softwares or tools that I will show you how to install this, how to uh, download and install all the softwares I will show you. Okay. So now, as we discussed, sorry. Okay. As we discussed in MuleSoft, there is no coding, right? So that I will show you now. Okay. Without writing single line of code. So how we can use this tool. Okay. For that, we are going to use this tool. This tool name is Anypan Studio. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to provide name as Hello World. So you just provide the project name and click on finish. That's it. Very simple. Now you can see it got created. See, now I'm going to use only two components. I'll show you. See, just now I created this project, right? This is the brand new project. If I go here, can you see by default how many lines of code is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, right? Only 4 lines. Now what I'll do, I'm going to drag and drop one component or connector. Okay, now if I go here, see how many lines of code is there? 10 lines, right? Did I added any single line of code? No, right? So without writing any code, okay, we can use this MuleSoft. In this MuleSoft, there is no coding. Again, now 10 lines, right? If I drag and drop one more component, maybe it got increased. So instead of 10, now you can see 11. Now if I take one more component, maybe it will be 20. See, 21 lines of code. Earlier, the moment I create a project, it is having only 4 lines. Now it got increased to 21. So without writing single line of code, automatically the code will be generated backend. Okay. So that is the beauty of this MuleSoft. In MuleSoft, we are not going to write any single line of code. Okay. Now what we'll do, I'll show you, how to create this hello world. All these things I will explain later. Just this is demo, right? I'm going to write all these things. Okay. Now I'm going to take one logger. See, basically, the main use of this logger is it is used to print the message in the console. Let's say in other programming languages, printf, scanf, println, scanln, like this, we are going to write, right? Print. By using that print, okay, this is also this logger, we can print some message. See, let's say if I want to write some message, hello world. That's it. Same message I want to print it. So now what I'll do, I'm going to run this program. Just right click, run the project, save it. See now it is going to be your application is going to be deployed here. You can see the progress. Deployed. Okay. So our application is got deployed. Now we need to test it. So to do that, we are going to use the tool called Postman. Again, I'll explain this tool also. What is Postman? 80855. I'll make a request. Sorry, this is not HTTPS. Protocol I use HTTP. See, we got 200. 200 means access. Now, if I go to my studio, please scroll down. Can you see? It got printed same hello world message. Okay. But whereas in other programming languages, we need to write at least minimum 10 lines of code. Swap input studio.h, ponyo.h, main, something we need to open the method, braces, right? If you mistake anything, not even semicolon or comma, always it will throw the error. Okay? Compilation error, so many errors you will get it, syntax errors. But in MuleSoft, we don't get, those kind of errors. Understood? Everything will be drag and drop. The moment you drag and drop any component or connector, automatically code will be generated in the backend. Now can you see 15 lines of code? Okay. If I drag and drop one more component, okay. If I go here, see automatically instead of 15 lines, it got 24 lines. So once you drag and drop any component or connector, automatically code will be generated in the backend. Okay. So is this clear or any questions here?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, great. So don't worry about this. What it is, what are these components? Just demo I'm showing. So going forward, what will do? We will discuss about how to download and install the studio and what is this packaging. All these things, each and everything in detail, we will discuss it. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we can use the MuleSoft. We are not going to write any single line of code here. Okay. Next, let's say you guys are using QR code, right? See, if you went to any restaurant or tea shop or tiffin center, what you will do? You guys will scan the QR code, right or wrong?
Yes, sir, right.
So what is QR? QR means
Quick response.
very good. QR is nothing but quick response. We will get the quick response. So how to generate that QR code also we will see today. Okay. I'll explain you how to implement that. So usually if you want to generate that kind of QR code, how many days it will take? Your assumption, 2 days or 5 days or 10 days. Just guess, nothing will happen, right?
5 days.
5 days, very good. Any other answers?
1 day or 2 day.
1 day or 2 day? Okay, very good. See, usually, it won't take that much of time to generate one QR code. Okay, I will show you. Some third-party tools will be there or APIs will be there. We need to call that. Let's say I'll show you this. Can you see? Go QR code generator. Okay. QR is nothing but quick response. So how to generate this QR code and all, we will see now. So if you want to use this, if you want to create this kind of image, usually this code we will scan, right? Agree or not? So how to generate this, we will see. To do that, we need to use this URL. We need to call the URL. Can you see? If we call this URL, what will happen? We'll get the data. So this is the URL, guys. HTTPS API QR server. Can you see? https://API QR server.com/v1/create-QR code, right? So same one I prepared one document here. QR code scanner. Introduction about QR. QR stands for quick response. Okay. Usually, if you want to develop this kind of things in Java, we need to write so many lines of codes. Okay. We need to use so many functions, all these things. But by using this Mulesoft, okay, single connector, we can do this. I'll go here. Can you see? In the request, so we need to configure this. So host is api.qrserver.com. So if you see this URL, so host is api.qr. This is the protocol which we are going to use. Protocol is HTTPS. Okay. And the host is api.qrserver.com. So this is the host. Okay. And then this is the base path v1. We provided base path as v1. That's it. Okay. And at the end, we need to provide the path here. Path is QR. Create a QR code. You can see create a QR code. That's it. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'm going to run this project. So if you have any, QR code scanner in your mobile, try to open now. Okay. I'll create one website. Okay. Or Facebook or Gmail. If you scan that, automatically it will redirect to particular website. Someone told me 5 days, someone told me 1 day, 2 day. It won't take not even 2 days or 5 days. It will take only 5 minutes. Okay. Within 5 minutes, we can generate a QR code by using this Mulesoft. That much of easy this means. Can you see? My application got deployed. Okay. Now I'll go here. Okay. So here I'm giving my institute address www.ketuinfotech.com. Please open your scanner QR code. I'll generate a scanner now. See, scanner got generated. Can you scan this, everyone? At least one you can open this QR.
Yeah, I scanned it.
It got opened my institute, right?
Yes, Ketu important.
Yes,
Yes.
Ketu Infotech. Training
Open, right?
certification placement.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
So now I want to generate another QR code which will redirect to Facebook. Okay. Now very simple. Instead of this data, what you can do, facebook.com. So I'll click on send. It will generate a new code. Now can you scan this, guys? So it will open Facebook, I guess. I scanned. See, for me it is opening Facebook. Facebook, Instagram, photos, videos, Facebook, YouTube. So many things I'm getting.
Yes, it's not true.
It's working, right?
Yes, sir, it's working. Open
Very
Facebook.
good. Yeah. Simply what you can do, what and all you want to generate it, you just type it here. That's it. Let's say this time I'll go with the Gmail. If I click on send, it will generate a new code. Now, if you scan this again,
Showing Gmail.
yes, because I give gmail.com here. Okay. So this is how we can generate a QR code. Okay. Not only QR code, anything, we can integrate it, we can create it by using this Mulesoft without writing single line of code. Did I wrote any single line of code here? No, right?
No.
Only, if you want to generate this much of, QR code, we need to use only these two components. That's it. You don't want to write any code, nothing. Simply just we need to drag and drop these components or connectors. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is how we can use this tool. And so these are all already. See, what and all the softwares we need to install for this MuleSoft. Okay. So first thing we need Anypoint platform. This is like application. Like we know Facebook, Gmail, right? Similar way, we can create account with this Anypoint platform. This is completely free and open source. Next one, Anypoint Studio. Just now I showed you, right? Hello world, and then QR code, all these things. So by using the studio, we can develop this. Next, Postman. Postman is for testing purpose. Just now I tested and I got one QR code, right? That is the tool. All these tools are open source, completely free of cost. We can directly download it from the Google and we can install and we can start building our application. Okay. So if you want to know this MuleSoft, only these three tools required. Apart from this, we want to learn this Git and GitHub. Anyone having any idea about Git and GitHub? Basically, this is one of the DevOps tool. Okay. But still we need to use in the MuleSoft, not only MuleSoft. Always, we are going to use this. All the developers, they will use this Git and GitHub. Why? Because daily we are working, right? In the office laptop, all our sensitive information, data, whatever the project which you created, everything will be stored over there, right? So maybe if you lose that data or code, if the system is crashed or restarted, what will happen? The entire data will be wasted. So that's why all the companies, they are going to use this GitHub. So one is for storage purpose, second one is security, and the third one is parallel development. Okay, these all tools, I will show you how to download and install, and we will use as well. Okay. And apart from this, we need to know about this tool Slack. Slack is nothing but this is one of the communication tool. For communication, what we will use usually, we will use WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and all, right? So, but in professional, in the organization, they won't allow WhatsApp, YouTube, all these things. Okay, they will use Slack, Microsoft Teams, okay, Zoom, these kind of things they will allow in the organization. Okay, all these softwares we need to install it and we need to work on it. But in the organization, we don't, install all these softwares at any cost. Why? Because each and every organization they are going to follow their own standards or procedures or protocols, I can say. Let's say some companies, admins will be there, they will install all the softwares. Okay. In some companies, we need to raise a request, they need to approve it, and then they will install it. Okay. Next, these are the pictorial representations, whatever the just now I showed you, right? Postman, this is the symbol. Git and GitHub, this is the symbol. This is the Anypan Studio. This is JDK, like this. These are the pictorial representations. So what is the highlights of MuleSoft? First thing is easy installation of Anypan Studio. That is for developers also. Can you see UI controls? More than, this is the old slide. More than 360 plus components or connectors will be there. So by using that, you can integrate any kind of application very easily. Let's say you want to fetch some information, okay, through database, you can do it. At the same time, if you want to insert some data into the table, easily you can do that by using this MuleSoft. We do have 360 components or connectors. See, today one project I am working with the database. Tomorrow my other project will be Salesforce. And the third project may be SAP. And the fourth project may be AWS. Like this, if I'm using any kind of projects, okay, it is going to support. Why? Because we do have more than 350 plus components or connectors will be there. Understood? And also, here we are going to use one data view. This is one of the functional programming languages. So the main beauty of this data view is, I'll give you one example, guys. See, let's say I am getting some employees data in Java format or some XML format, but I want to store it in some database. Okay. The database, it will not accept XML format. Okay. Or Java format. It will accept only JSON format. Imagine. So whatever the data which I am getting, that will be in XML. It consists of almost some 10,000 employees data will be there. Okay. Same data I want to insert into database, but XML it won't support. It will support only Java. So now what I need to do? I want to convert that entire XML to JSON. If I want to do manual process, it may take 3 days of time, right? Only for one single file. Like this, if I get, multiple files, it will take almost 1 week or 2 weeks. So that completely my time will be wasted. And moreover, I will do so many mistakes if I convert that. Okay. So to do that, by using this data view, within a minute, you can convert that entire XML to JSON or JSON to XML or JSON to Java or JSON to CSV or CSV to XML. Any kind of format, I can do it very easily. This is another beautiful feature in the data view. Okay. And you will get it amazing documentation, training videos, support for me also. If you are getting any kind of issues while preparing or in the product, you are getting any issues, they will help you. And you can ask me one question. Hey, why we need to learn MuleSoft? Why not other integration tools? Can someone tell me any other integration tools,
Oh, I see.
Oracle Integration Cloud.
Speak out. I'm not able. Can you see? What are the other ESBs other than Mule? Apigee, TIPCO, Delboomi, IBM ACE, Talent, Oracle Service Bus, WSO2, Workato, SnapLogic. So these are the other integration tools. But these tools are not popular when compared with the MuleSoft. Why? Because so these are the reasons. Okay. And can you see? We do have inbuilt monitoring tool. See, let's say once we deploy our application, if it is failed, right? We need to monitor that, right? For monitoring, again, we need to buy a different service, visualizer tool, policies, log tracing. All these things we are getting inbuilt. But when compared with other integration tools, so by using all these tools, we need to buy a different service or extra service. So again, a company need to pay for that service. So that's why these tools are not, much popular in the market.
Kishore,
Yes.
Kishore, sorry to ask this, Kishore. Sorry if the doubt is wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
కిషోర్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇప్పుడు మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి ఇంకొక 5-6 years మనకి స్టాండర్డ్ గా ఉంది అనుకుంటే ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇంకేమైనా టూల్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇట్లా మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ లో జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా మైగ్రేట్ అవ్వగలుగుతారు అండ్ ఉన్న ఇప్పటికి ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఇంకా మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ ని కొట్టే టూల్ దగ్గరలో ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ లో వరకు మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయకుండా ఉండొచ్చు అంటే బికాజ్ ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నా అంటే ఇఫ్ మనం మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మాలాంటి వాళ్ళు అంటే వీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ సమ్ సెక్యూరిటీ రైట్ ఫర్ సమ్ ఇయర్స్ అంటే ఇన్నేళ్ల వరకు మనకి ఈ టూల్ గ్యారంటీగా మార్కెట్ లో ఉండగలుగుతుంది అని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా అలా మ్యూల్సాఫ్ట్ కి
వెరీ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఓకే సో ఐల్ గివ్ యూ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకే సో yeah, I'll give you a very good question. I'll give you example for this. So let's say right now we are using MuleSoft. Maybe tomorrow this Workato will come to the market in very bigger way, right? So imagine already MuleSoft is more popular, right? And most of the organizations they are using this MuleSoft. That means they made some agreement between MuleSoft company and these companies, right? At least 5 years or 10 years agreement they made it. Understood? Let's say this year I made an agreement. Okay. Maybe next year what I'm thinking, this Workato is coming with additional features maybe for next years, right? So what MuleSoft will do? MuleSoft team will be there, right? They won't sit ideally for entire 1 year. Understood? What they will do? They will try to implement the new functionality. They are going to add, new things to that tool. Okay. They will make that tool as simple as like that. Okay. So that's why if the tool is more popular at this moment now, always it will be more. Understood or not?
Okay, Kishore.
Okay. And imagine you guys see if you want to buy any product, basically what you will do, you will choose only 2 e-commerce websites, right? Whether it is Flipkart
Amazon.
or Amazon.
Yeah.
So why don't go with other websites? Those are also e-commerce website, right?
Yeah, but they are user friendly actually.
User friendly, many people are using and secure. Okay. Even if you get any defective item, you can you can change that, you can buy new one, they will give cashback, sorry, whatever the amount you paid you will get refund, all these things, right? So that's why MuleSoft also, you don't want to worry about this. Let's say after 5 years some other tool will come to the market. Entire 5 years MuleSoft won't sit ideally. MuleSoft also what it will do, they're going to implement so many things, they will do so many applications, user friendly, all these things they will work on it. So that's why don't worry about this. Past 7 years I'm working into MuleSoft. Okay. Up to now, no competitor came for this Mule. Clear? Yeah. Okay. See, after completion of my training, we will see some success stories. Okay. So this slide is old, a bit old. I think I created in 3 or 4 years back. Okay, these are the old slides. I didn't update it. Can you see? I think this is August 21. I got placed with a 9 lakh package. So I asked her, can you pay remaining course fee? He said he got placed in Cognizant. Okay. See this guy, he also got job. See this guy got job, he wants some support. So in this group, so many people got the job. This guy is from different country, New Zealand. He got recently placed. Okay. She got placed in one of the MNC. Okay. Like this, so many people got placed. So what you will get, in this course. Okay, in this course, you will get, complete practical sessions. And at the end of the course, not at the end, at the middle, I can say. Interview questions, topic wise. Topic wise means daily I will take one topic. I am going to explain that particular topic. In that, I can give you some interview questions. What kind of questions you will get? Okay. Next, interview questions company wise. Let's say if you are attending for one company, let's say TCS or IBM or Accenture. Previous students they attended, right? So they shared those questions. I can give it. I can give it to you. Interview questions phase wise. Phase wise means in Mulesoft 3 phases wise: design, development, deployment. Like this. Resume preparation will be there. Personal references will be there. 5 live APIs will be there in design. Okay, 5 use cases will be there for practice purpose, and you will get complete SQL videos. Why we are offering SQL and why it is related to MuleSoft, I will tell you. See, most of the time our projects are related to database only. Okay, most of the time they will use SQL database only. Okay, SQL database in the project, SQL engineer will be there. Okay, but again, why you need to learn this? Why we are going to offer? Because if you learn these queries and all in SQL, so you don't want to ask that uh, SQL guy, hey, I want to retrieve some information. Can you please give query? Every time we don't want to ask this basic, queries and all. We can learn it by our own. Next, MCD level 1 certification. Basically, this MCD level 1 certification, it will cost you around 400 USD. Can you see? 400 USD into 82. Almost, it will come in our Indian currency 33,000. So, this I can give it to you free of cost. You don't want to pay single rupee. This entire, certification, you will get it free of cost. This I'm not going to provide you, but directly through company itself, you can receive a certification. Okay. This entire certification, you will get it from the MuleSoft company itself, Salesforce. I showed you right in the PPT. I received MuleSoft Architect certification. Can you see? Like this. Directly company, MuleSoft integration certified. Through company itself, you will get this kind of certification. Directly you can download it from the portal. Okay. Like this, I can help you to get, free certification as well. So you don't want to pay single rupee. You will get it completely free of cost. Okay. Success stories we seen, right? Yes. Okay, interview support will be there. And we will see the packages for freshers. Okay. See, one guy got, two offers. Can you see? The company name is IQVIA. This is one of the product-based company. As a fresher, they offered 10,37,760 rupees. Same guy got one more offer with the Cognizant. Okay, you can see Cognizant Technology. They offered 5,40,000. See here, they offer 10 lakh. So same person, why he got, different packages, different companies? Why? Because product based always they can pay more when compared with the service based companies. That is point number one. Second thing is point number two is how you are going to perform in the interview. That is also one of the matter. If you are performing really good, you will get more package you can expect. See, this guy got, package 10 lakh, 5 lakh. Maybe if you attend, you may get 7 lakh or you may get only 3 lakh. You may get 2 lakh. That depends on company. That depends on how you are going to perform it. Okay. Make sure this guy got this much of amount. You also get the same. No, it completely depends on the organization and how you are going to perform in the interview. Okay. This is for freshers and for experience also. One second. Okay, this is for experience. You can see for experience they offered, she kept, 4 years of experience into MuleSoft. Earlier, she's getting, only 3 lakh per annum. After completion of this course, and she got this much of package, 18 lakhs 46,000. Okay, and coming to my team, we are 16 members of team. We are all into MuleSoft. We will do corporate trainings. Corporate means like many people, they will get a job as a fresher, right? So they will say training is going on. Okay, like that, right? For them, we will train. Not only freshers, for experience also, we will train them. And apart from this, we will use some group training as well. Group training means this is the one just now I'm giving, right? You people as a group, like some 40 people are there. Okay. For you, I'm going to provide this kind of training. And we will do some kind of freelancing projects. Freelancing projects means you are going to company and you will work, right? So what we'll do, we will not go to company. Okay, we will tie up with the companies and they will give the work to us. We will do it that work. That we can call it as freelancing. So we will get freelancing project in our batch. If I am giving group training, whatever the task daily I'm giving to you, if you are doing very good, what we'll do after completion of course, we will give opportunity to work on office projects. So if you work here, we will pay some amount of money as well, so that you will get live projects experience and at the same time you will get money also. Okay. And what and all the companies using this MuleSoft. Okay. Companies and industries to hire MuleSoft professionals. See, so many companies will be there. I listed out very few. Salesforce, Accenture, Deloitte, IBM, Capgemini, PwC, Cognizant, Infosys, TCS, Wipro. And apart from this, Amazon, Verizon, Cisco, Pfizer. So these are all, all these companies are using MuleSoft. So I mentioned only 100 companies here. Up to 100, some companies may be repeated. Okay, these are all the companies are using this MuleSoft. Clear? So who can learn this MuleSoft? I can say anyone can learn this MuleSoft irrespective of any background, whether they are, Java developer or .NET developers are already working some other integration tool, they can learn this. Architects, they can learn. API developers, they can learn. Business analysts, they can learn. System admins, they can learn. Technical project managers, data engineers, quality QA testers, they can learn this. System analysts can learn. Database engineer, students also, they can learn this Mules. And I'll show you one interesting thing here. So one guy will be there. So Mules youngest developer. Can you see? His name is Aryan. Okay. He's only 15 years old. Okay. And he cleared this MCD level 1 exam. Just now I showed you, right? $400 USD dollars. That certification he cleared at the age of 50. Okay. And now, see, this article is from 2020. Now 2024, right? In this 4 years, what he did, he started one new startup company and he had almost some 50 employees. Okay. And he played a great role in his company. Understood? He just, 15 years old. He completed this certification because that much of easy if you put some effort here. Understood? Okay. So this entire certification, you will get it free of cost. And if you have any questions, you can ask me now. So any questions from anyone?
Technically, what are the
Yeah, first I'll answer, few questions and answers because I handle so many batches, right? So I will only tell some questions and answers. Okay. So first question. So who can learn this MuleSoft? That already I answered. So let's say I have 10 years gap. I have 7 years gap. I have 3 years, 2 years. Okay. If you have any gap, no problem. Anyone can learn this course. And some people say I'm from non-IT background. Okay. I'm from B Pharmacy background, M Pharmacy. I am from mechanical. I am from civil. Can I learn this course? Yes, you can. Okay. And this course is, I designed in 2 models. Okay. The first model is complete course. This I'll take you 1 month daily 1 hour. Okay. So it will take 30 days to complete this program. For this, we are going to charge some 15,000 rupees. Okay. So complete session will be there online. And same program, classroom also available. Okay. For this, we are charging 20,000 classroom. See why it will be vary here 15,000, here 20,000 means. So classroom means here we are going to spend 1 hour. Classroom means minimum 4 hours you need to spend here. In 4 hours, what we'll do? Initial 1 hour, whatever we are going to explain here, same thing we will explain here also. Here we will assign one task for next hour. Practice purpose, we will give this task. This you need to do it in home. Okay. and we will give you some interview questions that you need to do it in home. So total I can say in online also, if I explain 1 hour, 2 hours you need to practice it. Here also same, 2 hours you need to practice it. And what and all you practice, that again you need to explain to other students. Let's say 10 people join this course. All 10 you come to the offline, right? So what and all you learn, you have to explain to other 9 people. After that, one more guy will come. He is going to explain to 9 people. So that what will happen, stage fear gone. Okay. Even if they will ask you for face-to-face interviews also, you can clear that. This is completely one program. Okay. Second one is 3 months program. Okay. In this 3 months program, what we'll do, we will explain complete initial 1 month, first month, same, whatever will be there, complete course, we will explain here 1 month. Okay. Second month, so one more trainer will be there, another trainer. So what he will do, he is going to explain live projects. So we told, right, we are working for say freelancing projects and all. So that project he is going to explain to you. He is going to explain almost 40 to 45 hours. Complete live project they will explain to you. Okay. On the third month, ten hours interview preparation. Okay.
అంటే
5
కిషోర్
hours.
1 month బ్యాచ్ లో ప్రాజెక్ట్ సెషన్స్ ఏమైనా చెప్తారా కిషోర్?
1 month దాంట్లో కవర్ అవ్వండి. దట్ ఈస్ ఎందుకంటే 40 అవర్స్ తీసుకుంటాయి, 45 అవర్స్. ఓకేనా? ఈ 1 month ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో అది ఉండదు. ఓకేనా? ఇది అనదర్ ట్రైనర్ చెప్తారు, నాట్ మీ. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కవర్ దిస్ బేసిక్ వన్. ఓకే. సో 5 hours మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, ప్లస్ రెజ్యూమే ప్రిపరేషన్. ఓకే. ప్లస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ రెఫరెన్సెస్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ కూడా అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని ఇస్తాము.
అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇది ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వస్తే ఎట్లా రీచ్ అవ్వాలి కిషోర్ ఇది మిమ్మల్ని?
Okay, here what we'll do, we'll create one WhatsApp group. Okay, na?
Any trainer will be in that WhatsApp groups.
Yeah,
Sure.
nene unta. I'll
Okay.
be there in this group. Okay, if you are getting any kind of issues or questions, I can help you to fix all these things. Okay, this is one model, first model. This is the second model. See, first model ఏంటంటే కొందరు ఫాస్ట్ గా గ్రాప్ చేసుకుంటారు, వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఓకేనా? ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏంటంటే కొందరు చాలా భయం ఉంటది, అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కి ఫస్ట్ టైం అన్నట్టు. ఓకేనా? ఎక్కడ వర్క్ చేయకుండా ఉంటారు, ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్స్ ఉండి, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి 3 months ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ 3 months కూడా ఏంటి అంటే రెండు ఉంటాయి, ఆన్లైన్ ఉంటుంది, క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఫర్ ఆల్ ది సెషన్స్ యూ విల్ గెట్ రికార్డింగ్ యాక్సెస్. ఓకే, ఈ రికార్డింగ్ యాక్సెస్ కూడా 1 year ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ మీకు అరేంజ్ చేస్తాము అంటిల్ యూ గెట్ ప్లేస్డ్. ఓకే, విల్ కీప్ ఆన్ ట్రైన్ యూ. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ 1 month వచ్చేసి డైలీ 4 hours రావాలి. సెకండ్ మంత్ నుంచి యూ హ్యావ్ టు కమ్ 8 hours. ఓకే, 8 hours రావాలి. ఇక్కడ యూ విల్ గెట్ వన్ వెల్కమ్ కిట్, అంటే మీకు ఆఫీస్లో ఇస్తారు కదా వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ జాయిన్ ఎనీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. సో అక్కడ ఈ వెల్కమ్ కిట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది మీకు. ఈ వెల్కమ్ కిట్లో ఏముంటాయంటే 1 కంపెనీ టీ షర్ట్ ఉంటుంది, వాటర్ బాటిల్, ఒక టీ మగ్గు, ఒక డైరీ, and then one pen, one keychain, and then one ID card. ID card also will be there. Like 8 hours మీరు professional గా రావాలి. How you are going to office? Similar way you have to come here. Okay. Same. We will assign some task. We will give some activities. You need to work on it, and you need to inform them. Until you get a job, we will keep on train you in this 3 months program. Okay. So for this 3 months, both online and offline will be there. For this, we are charging 60K for entire 3 months program. So here we have two models. One is this, other one is this. Okay. For all the two models, what we will give? We will give you, 4 free classes. You don't want to pay single rupee. In these 4 free classes, you can attend free of cost, so that you will have an idea about the Mulesoft. What is Mulesoft? What we will do in the design phase, what we will do in the development phase, what we will do in the deployment phase. Today, first class completed, right? Next to 3 classes also you can attend it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday also you can attend it. Okay, once you like it, you can enroll it. Friday, Saturday, Sunday will give break. 3 days you guys can decide. And then once you enroll, we will start our actual classes. But make sure if you join this program or not, make sure you need to attend these 4 free classes. Okay. Is this clear? So if you have any questions, one by one, you can ask me. I can help.
Sir, where is the physical classroom?
Physical classroom, it is located in Manikonda, Hyderabad.
Okay, I heard that it is nearby JNTU.
So earlier we kept in Pragati Nagar.
Okay.
So there many people, they face some transport issue. That's
Okay.
why we change it to Manikonda. Okay.
Okay.
So if anyone want to this office live location,
Hmm.
you can text me to this number. I can
Okay.
share this office address. Directly you can come here and you can talk to me, you can listen to me. Okay. And if you have any questions, I can help you. So this is my direct number. Otherwise, you just go to, website just now we opened, right? Just type k2infotech.com.
కిషోర్ ఇప్పుడు 1 month కోర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఎనీ ఛాన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్ టు ప్రాజెక్ట్ సెషన్స్ విడిగా జాయిన్ అవడానికి అట్లా ఉంటుందా కిషోర్? ఇప్పుడు 1 month జాయిన్ అవుతారు చూసారా, వాళ్ళకు మళ్ళీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్లాసెస్ కావాలి అంటే అది ఏమైనా జాయిన్ అవడానికి మీరు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడైనా కండక్ట్ చేస్తారా? అది ఫ్రీ ఉంటుందా? దానికి ఎట్లా అది
Free
ఎంత
ఉండదు.
కాస్ట్, ఎన్ని
See,
డేస్ ఉంటుంది?
why we will give it free of cost, live projects. Okay.
అయ్యా
See, for live projects, almost we will charge some 30 to 35,000.
ఓకే.
Okay.
హౌ మెనీ
See,
డేస్
one
ఉంటుంది?
thing you need to remember, no one will give you free of cost. They'll give you free of cost, that just for advertisement sake. That's it. Okay.
ఇప్పుడు 1 month జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళు లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కి మళ్ళీ విడిగా కట్టి జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు కదా?
Yes, they can do it.
అది లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ 1 month ఉంటుందా కిషోర్?
No, that is 40 to 45 hours plus again 8 hours. It will be almost 2 months.
ఓన్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్లాసెస్. ఓకే.
Yes, because end to end we need to implement the very big project. So if you are doing that project in a same project, you can keep in the resume and you can explain to the interviewer also.
Okay.
And once you enter into the organization, it will be very easy. Why? Because already you implemented one project end to end, right?
Okay.
So once you go to the office also, so you don't want to depend on anyone. Directly you can do it by your own. Clear?
Yeah. So when these 3 months course will start, Kishore?
See, today also it will continue. Let's say this is 1 month program, right? First
Okay.
1 month it will be common, right? For everyone, we need to explain entire Mulesoft course. Whether they'll join for 3 months or 1 month, we need to explain entire this Mulesoft. 1 month course, we need to explain. Okay. So
Okay.
people who enrolled for this course, we will continue. After completion of this, whoever enrolled for 3 months program, another trainer will come into the picture. He is going to explain live projects to you. See, for Mulesoft, I have 16 trainers here.
Okay.
16 trainers. All we will do group trainings, corporate trainings, all these things we will do it. So
Yeah,
we will
and
deal only with the Mulesoft and DevOps, only these two technologies. Why? Because we have experts in this area. So that's why always we will focus these two courses. That's it.
Kishore, any time change Kishore 9 కి పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా ఇంకా 10 కన్ఫర్మ్ అండి?
We'll discuss. Mostly we fix for 10 o'clock. Why? Because many people they'll come for offline, right? They'll stay in different places. That I'll update you. If everyone is okay, 9 o'clock, we will make it as 9.
Yeah.
Okay, others, any questions?
Yeah,
See,
Kishore.
always please try to interact with me English only. Why? Because whenever you go for interview, it will be very useful and helpful to you. Okay? Yeah, Soumya, go ahead.
Yeah, for example, if we have any 2 years of experience into the testing domain, and what if we want to switch into this MuleSoft domain, and if any organization asks like why you want to switch from testing to MuleSoft, so how can we
No,
answer?
that time what you need to say, let's say after completion of this course, okay, you
Mm-hmm.
just tell them I have total 2 years of experience completely into MuleSoft.
Okay.
Okay. Then they may ask you like what and all you did in your project. They'll ask you some questions. Once you got selected, so they'll go for verification, right?
Yeah,
In
yeah.
verification, they won't ask you whether Soumya is worked on testing or MuleSoft or project manager. They won't ask like this. Simply what they will do, they will send a mail saying that this employee ID is associated with you or not. If yes, what is the duration? What is their mobile number? Okay, who is their manager? Okay, how long she worked, which periods she worked from this date to this date. Only they will send this message to the organization. Okay,
Okay.
they will
Okay.
also reply to them.
Okay. And
Understood?
yeah, I got it. And one more question, like for suppose if I have a MCD level 1 certification, and in between I got another opportunity of my domain, my current domain, and joined into it. So
Mhm.
what if this MCD level 1 certification expires? Can I try MuleSoft again later?
Yes, you can. See, this will be valid for 2 years.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm asking like after these 2 years of expiration.
Again, immediately what will happen? You will have a maintenance exam. So
Okay.
in that they may ask you some 20 or 25 questions. If you answer that, again it will be renewal for 2 more years.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Thanks,
Again,
Kish.
you don't want to write from scratch.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Whatever the certificate you told, like you will give it as a free, right? It's an original MuleSoft certificate, right, Kishan?
Yes, original. Directly, you will get it from the Mulesoft company itself. You need to enroll in the company website and you need to do some activities, then you will get the certification. I'll guide you how to do that.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So Kishore, that certificate we'll get for after 1 month course only, right?
No, in middle only we'll get it. After completion of 1 week or 10 days, you just remind me. I can help you how to do that.
Yeah, sure.
And Kishore, just one small doubt like here.
Yeah.
So we are working in a company right now and into the non-technical background or a business background in the company, which is a finance sector or something. So after doing the certificate, no, we can do the IJP, right? Internal job posting. If we are do that, it will be possible to move in within the company, right?
See, that 100% possible, but what will happen? You may get less chances. Why? Because already your manager know that you are working in the same domain almost past 3 years or 4 years, right?
You're right.
So if there is any opening with a different account, you can apply that and you need to tell them, hey, during this so and so period, I learned this MuleSoft and I done that one POC project as well. Okay. If they will consider your profile, then they will arrange one interview. Okay.
Hmm.
And then if you are performing very well, so they will take it. Some people, what they will think, okay, you done just POC, one POC. Okay. I
Hmm.
think you are not capable to do big projects. In that time, they will ignore you. So that time,
Okay.
better you can look for other companies.
Okay.
Other companies, they don't know whether you worked on which domain, right?
Correct. Correct.
Let's say
Correct.
you have 6 years of experience into finance. Tell them, boss, initially I started my career as a, into finance. After that, due to project requirement, the company itself, they give training on Mulesoft. After completion of that training, they put me in this project. Past 3 years onwards, I'm into working into Mulesoft project. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Don't worry about this. Depending upon your gap or experience or which technology you are working, after completion of course, I can suggest you, I can guide you how you need to keep the resume. That and all I can help
Okay.
And Kishore, one more doubt, Kishore. See, if for suppose I'm working in testing for 6 years, okay, so I will keep my resume as from last 3 years I'm working on Mulesoft in that same company, okay. But in the relieving in the relieving certificate, they will give so for the so and this person
you. See, they won't mention directly, test
tell that
engineer
in.
like this.
Hmm.
Okay. In your company, maybe questions, some hierarchy will be there.
Yeah, from
Software
last two
engineer, trainer.
companies, they have given me the designation in my relieving letter. Kishore, like I have worked as in testing designation like that they have given. Companies are going to verify word and word like that, Kishore.
No, it won't happen like this.
Okay.
Okay. Even if they will check like that at all, tell them. Earlier, I worked into same company as a test engineer. After that, they switched to Mule, but they didn't change my designation. Simply, you can say like that.
Yeah, we can say like this.
That's what I'm saying. You can say it, no problem. Any other questions?
Hello.
Yeah, hi
Yes.
Kishore.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if we
Vardhan, tell
choose
me.
the first module, are we going to get any help regarding these interviews and placement? Any
Yeah.
sort?
See, for two models, you will get, same. Only difference is in this
Live project.
program, live projects will be there. Okay. And
Okay.
again, 8 hours interview preparation will be there. Some welcome kit, ID card, all these things will be there. If they'll come to offline, they will spend extra hours. Like if they came to office like this, it will work.
Okay.
In this
Okay.
model also, everything you need to implement it in your home by your own.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
If you are facing any issues, you can post in the WhatsApp group. Same issue, if they will get it, they will reach out directly, physical. That is the difference.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Course wise, there is no difference. Topic wise, there is no difference in this program. See, initial 1 month, these people also 3 months program or 1 month program. I am the only one person who can teach from basics to advanced level, everything, complete practical session. So that's why I'm asking you, try to attend 3 more free classes. So how
Okay.
I'm going to explain whether you are able to catch my things or not, so that you can decide and you can practice it. If you are able to, learn, if you are confident, then you can join.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kishore, sorry, in that, Kishore, there are jobs on mules of testing also, Kishore, like that, only developer,
API
like the.
testing will be there, not MuleSoft.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Others, any questions?
Hello.
Yes, Rajesh, go ahead.
Yeah, in the first module, you said like the complete course will be there, right? So, do you provide any like training placement opportunity in that, like any
Yes,
interview
yes,
preferences?
we will provide. After completion of this course, we will share, couple of resumes. Okay. And I will explain you how to prepare, how to keep that resume. After that, we will only refer few companies.
Okay, so in the first module itself, like the difference between the second module is like live project we will be working on that in the second
Right.
modules. In the
Yes.
first module, we will have to only work on that, right?
Yes, correct.
And the remaining things, the third month also, will be like five mock interviews will be there, or resume preparation it will come on the first module, or like what exactly it is?
See, resume preparation will be there. Mock interviews it will not be there in first module.
Okay.
So, but what we will do, we will provide the interview questions and answers,
Okay.
company wise, topic wise, everything we can share it.
Okay. What
But
about and what about MCD level 1 certification? Will it come
yeah,
in?
that is also you will get it free of cost here.
That will come under like first only, right? First module.
First, yes. Here also you will get it. Here also you will get it.
Okay. Okay.
Free SQL videos you will get it. Here also.
Okay. So you will give reference also, like for job also, right?
Yes, 100%. 100%
So
will
as
give.
of now, like I have like 1 year of experience
Okay.
in OSB, like you as you said, like Oracle Service Bus.
Yeah.
So I'm working
Oracle
in that. Like I have like 1 year of experience in that. Like
Okay.
1.5 I have like right now. So will that be okay? Like in Mulesoft, if I take the course of 3 months, like 1 month, like what first module. So that
Okay.
will be a good chance for referral. Like, what do you think? Like,
Yeah. We will. We'll give some references.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Any other questions? Okay. If you are not able to ask me here, so you can take this number. Okay. My name is Kishore Reddy. Directly you can reach out to me. Okay. You can WhatsApp me or you can directly call to me. Any questions you can ask me. I can help you. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, I'm going to wind up this session now. We'll meet tomorrow, same time, same link. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks all. So
Okay.
this,
Thank you.
if you want this recording is available in my YouTube channel. So you just go to YouTube, just type Keto Infotech. So you will get it here after completion of 1 hour. See here, if you want to see some live project, demos also, you can watch over here. Okay. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Chalo. If you don't have any questions, we'll wind up this session now. We'll meet tomorrow. Thanks all. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.